This has been a really long time coming in delivering this project, so to get to this stage today is absolutely fantastic. I've been the Cabinet Member for Education since 2019, and I've been fighting all of that time to get this school a new build.
So I'm absolutely delighted that the Welsh Government has agreed to the outlined strategic case for a brand new school here in Milford Haven. So this is great news for the pupils, for the community, for the teaching staff here at Milford Haven. It's going to be transformational.
So this is our biggest ever investment in education in Pembrokeshire. We'll comfortably be investing £100 million plus here in Milford Haven to give the children of Milford Haven the very best possible start in life.
I'm very excited about having this new school because it's going to be new and it's going to be like really interesting and it's going to be fun to explore it. And also it's going to be like a whole lot newer and a whole lot wider out, so I could see more and I can go to my classes easier. This
new building represents a significant investment in the pupils, staff and wider community of Milford Haven. So we're thrilled to bits. It will allow everyone to thrive and succeed in an aspirational environment where they can grow and succeed.